Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. A lot of good setups today. Let's go through my watch list. Um, Visa, Meta, Snow, CRM, and Google. My main one are Snow, Meta, and Visa. Those three I really like the chart. Google, if can finally break and hold 145.60. But yeah, a lot of good setups. Apple's looking amazing, looking great for our swing. I'm not looking to trade Apple because I already have two plays there. But Meta, Visa, Snow are the main ones. So you guys have what's my plan with all those possible trades. What I'm looking on those charts, everything's on my Discord. The description, the link for my Discord, it's down below. So yeah, pretty bullish. The market's pretty bullish this morning. Pre-market, SPY and the Q flying. And Apple is in the money. Our contracts are in the money. 190 contracts are in the money. Hopefully can hold there and go higher. CRWD. Okay. So yeah, I got a new phone. I got a new iPhone yesterday. Maybe that helped. I needed a change. Yeah, so I really like how everything is looking today. Looking juicy. Looking juicy. Like Meta. This chart of Meta is looking very interesting. It's either gonna fly or die. Fly or die. Oh, Apex, it's back with the 80% off. Um, so you guys have the code and the link in the description also for Apex. Let's get ready my Tradeovate account to trade futures. Oh, okay. Thank you, George. Yeah, let's see if we have any data coming up um today. This Wednesday. We have one Fed speaker at 11. I don't like that. Then at 2 and consumer credit at 3, but I'm not gonna be trading at that time. So 11 o'clock is the only time that I might need to be careful. Okay. I don't like that time because at 11, most of the time I'm holding a trade. My trades, most of the time, are between 10 and 11. Today looks pretty good. I'm pretty excited for today. UPS, our UPS play, looking amazing too. Who's holding UPS with me? Ooh, Meta, it's already going. Yeah, I think Meta could give us a good bounce here. Like to see it holding 459, a little bit above 459. Din 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 din. 430. If the Q can hold 430 as support, it's 430.29 around there. That's pre-market high. That's I'm sorry, that's all-time high. And SPY is also at a new all-time high. Okay, so we're pretty bullish here. But let's give it a little bit of time. I'm been looking for plays that are not tech because I'm kind of scared to swing trade in tech. Tech is so high, so much that I kind of feel like anytime we're gonna have rotation out of tech. So that's why I play UPS because I'm looking for trades outside of tech. Like I like Visa here. Let's see if Visa can hold 278.50. Let's see if the Q can hold here. This level here is very, very important for the Q. It's die or fly. SPY is looking better because it's already above all-time high. But the Q, it's kind of fighting there. Google is looking great also, but I'm not gonna play Google until I see a hold. I don't wanna get fake out again. I don't want Google to fake me out again. Morning, morning, welcome. Okay, Apple is pulling down. The Q is rejecting here. Let's see if the Q goes under VWAP. I'm playing a short here on NQ. Okay, so SPI in the queue, okay. If the queue was under VWAP, I'm shorting this move. Because this is a big resistance level. And if I see both holding SPY and the Q holding resistance and support, I'm gonna play long with ES. But we're still right there. SPY is holding. The Q, I don't know if the Q is gonna go because Apple is kind of looking weak. It's under VWAP. Microsoft looks better than Apple because it's holding pre-market high and it's holding the VWAP. We'll see. Okay, that's pretty bullish. Okay, I'm gonna go long with ES. My stop loss is gonna be if SPY loses this support in VWAP. Mm. Okay. I like that move, I like that hold. As long as the SPY is holding all-time high of support, it's pretty bullish. And it holds here. I think we can have a retest of 500. A retest, not a touch. Move toward 500. But the Q is not looking too strong. We'll see. Okay. The Q looks like it wants to flush. But Microsoft is going higher and Apple is holding. So we're gonna hold here or not? Come on, SPY, go, hold. Mm, hold it. No. Yes, no, yes, no, yes. Okay, I got out. I don't like that. If I see it bouncing back to 496, I'm gonna re-enter. I'm gonna try this again. I like how Microsoft and Apple are holding. Got out. Damn, that flush. What's flushing SPY? Because Microsoft is it's bullish. Apple too. The Q is holding. Let's see something. Not the monthly. IWM. I'm gonna go with ES shorts. I was between ES and the Q, but ES was so weak here. Okay. We're probably gonna fill the gap. This pre-market gap. I wanna see SPY under VWAP. Apple is going for the gap, so it's hitting down. But the Q is holding, it's not moving. It's trying to hold yesterday close. Yesterday close is acting as support. Morning, morning. Okay, so Apple is just filled the gap and is near yesterday high, which if it change direction here, the Q is gonna fly because the Q is trying really hard to hold here. It just doesn't want to go lower. I'm gonna hold this play unless SPY breaks the VWAP, but if I see Apple doing what it's doing and really holding this level here, which is support now, it's a little bit higher, the Q is gonna change direction. Okay, I don't like that move. Yeah, I got out. Okay, so far we have a very choppy morning because both the SPY and the Q are not even respecting the VWAP. Now it looks pretty bullish. Mm, banks are down. Okay. Let's just wait a little bit and see where we're going because so far this is very choppy. No clear direction here. Mm, okay, so we need to, I'm gonna wait and see if it's gonna break this high. If we play the upside, if it keeps chopping around here, no trades. How you guys doing so far? Yeah, no trades is better than trades. No trades is better than red. Nvidia and Tesla. You guys are obsessed with Nvidia and Tesla. 30 and 50 seconds. Who trades with that? With seconds? Who's gonna trade with seconds? Last one. Short on ES. I like I like this gap, possible gap fill here. Apple is losing it hard. And same with Google. What's Microsoft doing? Nothing. No. Ooh, look Meta. Dang it. Dang it. Well, nothing to do there. So the NQ is at a very strong resistance here. Yes. Pretty much double top. The 15-minute time frame is looking bearish. The 30, nothing so far. The 30-minute on ES looks bullish. 15, no, it's going nowhere, but the 30 on ES looks bullish. Oh yeah, nothing happening. Okay, I like that move. Just go lower. Yeah, very choppy. Very, very choppy. I can see a spy. It's about to stop me out again. What's going on with Apple? Apple is just dead. Is there any news with Apple? Because Apple is just dead. But still on an uptrend. Super choppy. China? Again, China? Dang it. Come on, give me the flush, give me the gap, spy, give me the gap. Move, do something. Yeah, but it's at 1, so it doesn't really matter right now. And I won't be trading at that time. Something I don't like is that if Apple went down so much and SPY and the Q didn't move, if Apple decides to turn around, SPY and the Q are gonna fly. But technicals are looking bearish on the SPY and the Q. But who knows? Ooh, love that indicator. Thank you, Thomas. Yeah, I was talking about it yesterday. I love it. I'm using it on the futures on ES and in NQ because I don't chart futures, but I have it there and it's super very useful. Love it. Thank you. We had so many good setups and nothing is working out. What a miss. Yeah, I think Microsoft needs to flush also. I don't know, today's super weird because yeah, Apple definitely very bearish. Even though I can see it holding here, maybe finding support here. It's near yesterday high. Microsoft is holding, it's bullish, but it's right at resistance right now. The SPY and the Q barely moving, but both have big gaps down. So they both have big gaps below. So none. What push? If you're asking that, you should not be taking any position. Nothing. I'm getting out again. This is stupid. Nothing. Do nothing. Do nothing. Yeah, I did made back yesterday. I closed the day yesterday 2K up. A little bit above 2K. Yeah, if a SPY breaks this high, that's definitely very bullish. But if it keeps like doing nothing and rejecting here, same with the Q. Okay, that's a strong break. That's a strong break there. Damn. New all-time high. Whoa. Let's see now if we have some consolidation here and we play the upside. That's a big one. Damn, that's a big one. Mm. Meta must be like flying. Yep. Well, that's gone. I like this Google hold here. What is Snow? What's Snow doing? It's an inside candle. Come on, give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Okay. Going with one. If I see a bigger pullback here, I'm adding more. What's UPS doing? Going lower. The X. Okay, I like that one. I got FTX 245.50 for the end of the month. Calls. And I got a different contract on this small account. Finally. Finally. I also got the 245.50 for next month on the 15th. I'm sorry, the 250 for next month. Mm, okay. Okay. That play is just like UPS. I'm not even gonna look the chart, nothing. Just putting an alert near my stop loss and setting and forgetting. I like Apple here. Apple looks good for an entry. And I'm liking this hold also on Google. Yeah, I like this. Hold on Google, but I'm not gonna enter that one. Looks great, but I prefer to just wait and see if today we're gonna have a green day inside a gap. And yes, if it can hold 5,000 of support, that's pretty bullish. I I got out and looking so profit, and I'm gonna wait to see if we can have some pullback here or a little bit of consolidation. We had data in 10. What data? I thought it was at 11. We have a Fed speaker. Damn. We're flying. Oh, oil? Okay. So not so good day with futures, but I'm pretty happy with my options. What do you mean? Nothing good. Mm, Come on, just pull back for me. Give me a little pullback. Mm, mm, mm. So we have data coming up in 4 minutes, and we have the bonds at 1. So we have a Gap and Go today. Gap and Go day. I've been doing very, very good in the afternoon, not so much in the morning. Morning, morning. I wish I had more money um to play something else on this small account. But I can sell premium, which I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let me see if I can sell. What's Tesla doing? Tesla to sell for premium is awesome. It's doing nothing. Miss, let's find some premium to sell. Today is Wednesday, so Wednesday and Thursday are my favorite day to find spreads to sell premium. 196 maybe? No, but Tesla could go to 196. Whoa. Tesla is looking pretty bullish. Not running. Okay, this looks more clean. What's flying? Meta, it's flying. $500 for Meta, maybe. Ooh, I can sell. I can do a poor man's call, or I can sell against what I'm holding. Sí, sí, pues nada más mándame un mensaje por Discord. Okay, and I'm trying to see what premium I wanna sell. I think it's gonna be FDX, a put credit spread. Yeah, I'm selling the 240 puts on FDX. $240 end of the month put selling, not buying, selling. So I'm selling naked put premium, getting premium. I don't trade Forex. Mm, okay, let's see if we're gonna have a pullback here that I'm waiting. Nvidia. I like Meta. I think Meta is gonna test 500. Not today. most likely not this week, but I can see Tesla moving to 500 easy. Oh, I got a bunch of protein stuff. I got what's this? I got a cinnamon roll, protein cinnamon roll. Looks, I think I'm gonna eat this one today, like right now. I got the wild berry roll also. I got these things that are like Pop Tart, but protein Pop Tarts. I got it on red velvet, cookies and cream, strawberry, brown sugar, hot sponge sundae. Here's birthday cake and blueberry. So we have a bunch of goodies here to try this week and next week. I'm gonna do today the protein cinnamon sweet roll. So while we're waiting for this pullback to maybe retest VWAP or see a little bit of consolidation above previous resistance, now we want to see it acting as support. I'm gonna go and put this in the microwave. It says like for like 10 seconds or something like that. Get a little bit more coffee and a bathroom break. So I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Maybe a little bit more. If it goes to this support, scream for me. Okay. Okay. So this one, right, is 200 calories, 10 grams of fat, um 22 grams of carbs, no sugar, 20 grams of protein. This is how it looks. Mm-mm. Yummy. Okay, I think that's my entry. Yep. Mm. So yummy. Du-du-du-du-dum. That was so, so good. This one from Legendary Foods. Definitely gonna keep buying it. You gotta put it on the microwave, so otherwise a little bit dry. But if you put it on the microwave like 10 minutes, it gets perfect. Mm, mm, mm. Google is just chopping around. Meta is kinda at resistance. Microsoft is at resistance. What else? What's Nvidia doing? Right at resistance too, 700. Ooh, that's a big number, 700. So what I'm looking right now, I first I want to get break even. So I want to see at least zero here. I don't care if I don't go green, but I want to see zero. I don't want to see any red. Um, any advice? Just follow the plan. I think that comes with practice. But I also think it depends if you're taking too many trades. Um, just take fewer trades. Follow the plan. And with practice, you're gonna have more patience. But some days are difficult. Some days there's nothing you can do because like today in the morning, like the spy and the queue were choppy, no direction. VWAP wasn't working, so they were both were going under and over the VWAP. So times like that are difficult. It's better to not trade when you have no clear direction. Yeah, I drink coffee every morning. I already drink my coffee. Yeah, I can drink it. I can drink coffee any day, anytime. Like last night, I drank coffee around, I think it was 9 p.m. I can sleep like a baby after drinking coffee. I have no problem with that. I love coffee too. Yeah, I love coffee. I drink coffee because I like it, not because it does anything to me. It doesn't wake me up. Um, yeah, I have tried an espresso. Yeah, I swing options. Like I've been swinging options here. I did. I've been doing option straight here on the stream every single day. Mm, 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 mm. It depends how the market move, how the stock that you want to swing move. It depends on a lot of things. It depends how big you are looking for a move. Everything depends. Your account size. Are you looking for a big move, a small move? I don't think there's a straightforward answer for that. Also, it depends if you have patience, if you're patient enough to hold for like a month or weeks. If we have a bigger pullback to the VWAP, I'm adding more. I like that. That how it's still holding the 90 MA. I have no drawdown right now because it's way over profit. I like to leave big cushions on my PAs so I don't have to deal with drawdown. how much would I leave on the 100K over the drawdown. So you gotta go with the 100K and see how much you need to profit to be able to get paid and how much caution you need to leave on the account. So if you go to Apex, you'll see how much you need to leave on those accounts, on each account, depend of which account you have. No, red is winning, green is losing. Red is profit, green is losses, are losses. Oh, thanks, Will. Thank you. Mm. Obviously, I'm being sarcastic. Obviously, when do you have red, it's profit and green is our losses. Where do you have that? No, I haven't changed anything. Maybe it's your internet. So here I have 300K account, 100K account, and 50K account. So each one have different stop losses, different drawdown. The 50K I got out. The other two, because are bigger, I can hold a little bit longer. But I'm liking more the 100 and 300K accounts. Or maybe this 50 is blown up. Let me check. I think. I thought this one was a 100K account, but I think it's 50 because yeah, I think I did the group thin run. This should be 100 or 50, so it was a 50K. I messed up there and I lost that account. Oh yeah, we want to see a spy in the queue holding VWAP. Mm. Hi, hola. Yeah, it is. Apple is, yeah. The Apple, yeah, doesn't look good, but if we see the bigger picture, it's holding yesterday high of support, which is bullish. I use Apex. Apex. I use Apex and I love it. And I got paid yesterday. Money, money, money. Let's see if we can turn this green. Mm, 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 mm. Now we have boring time, consolidation time. Um, on this screen, I have six charts. But that's because I'm trading options and futures. If you're only trading futures, you only need like 2 charts. My win rate is 72%. But that's with options. With futures, honestly, I don't know because I'm not using any journal for futures. So I have no idea. But because I'm trading less options and better like high quality trades but less trade, my percentage of risk to reward, no, my percentage of win versus losers on option, it's been up a lot. Like it used to be like 55, now I have it at 72. But even if you're only 50-50, what's important is how much you're making versus how much you're losing per trade. These are PAs. I don't have any evals right now. Oh no, wait, I have one 300k account that I'm working on it, but it's not these ones. I'm working whenever I'm working on that 300k account eval. Whenever I feel like trading on that one. I'm taking it easy. That's uh evals are evaluation accounts, and PAs are the real accounts with prop firms. To trade futures with prop firms. Yeah. No, I haven't. I haven't tried any other. Because I just started with Apex. I had no problems with them. Everything's working perfectly. I'm getting paid. I like how I can trade 20 accounts at the same time. Yeah, I had no problem with Apex. If I want to try another prop firm, I'm gonna have to use another I'm gonna have to use Quant Tower or something like that, another broker to trade, because that way I'll be able to trade with different accounts at the same time. If not, I like trading with Tradeovate. So if I'm gonna use another prop firm in Apex, I'm gonna have to log in and out every time I want to trade with different prop firms. So I like sticking to the same one. Like all pro firms have rules, all have good things and bad things. For me, I don't see anything bad unless they don't pay you, which I never heard of Apex not paying someone. So I'm gonna stick to Apex unless I have any problem with my payment. I use TradingView if I'm only trading with one account. But if I'm trading with more than one account, I cannot use TradingView. Yeah, I'm in US. Everything that you guys are asking me, what's the best thing to do with this or that? It's everything is emotional. If you cannot control your emotions with trading, doesn't matter what I say, you're not gonna do it. I'm pretty sure you know what you need to do. And I've had people in my mentoring that they always say that they don't know how to keep their winners longer, or they have everything perfect, they have a good plan, but they don't know how to keep their winners like running and they're how cutting their losers. But then when we go through their plan and how they trade, they have everything bad. Like every nothing is working. Like if you don't have a good plan, you don't have good levels, you don't know when you enter, doesn't matter if you have patience or not, it's not gonna work out. I don't think so. I never had any problem trading with Apex because I don't know what's inside a news trade or not. I have traded on FOMC days without any problem. I use the SPY in the queue to get to trade futures. On Tradeovate, it's called group trade. Yeah, I trade in groups. So what I used to trade is this guy, what you're looking. That I you always see me hear me talking about SPY in the queue. That's what I used to trade futures. I don't even use futures charts. I don't use ES or NQ. With future is the same thing as options, support and resistance, and reading the candlesticks. Like trading forex, options, shares, future is pretty much the same. Technical analysis is pretty much the same, support and resistance. But when it comes to futures, I scalp or day trade, and with options, I day trade and mostly I swing trade. So yes, it's a little bit different how I trade futures and options, but the basic is the same, support and resistance. But I use different time frames. Hi. No, I don't use a 15-minute time frame to decide that. I use the 5 to enter or exit any play. I use the 5 based on daily support and resistance. I use the 15 or the 30 just to read the candlesticks. I want to see what's going on the 15 and 30-minute time frames. Hi. Yeah, I basically like futures because there's no Greeks. Mm-hmm. And it's way easier. I don't need to think about, I just see the chart and I just hit buy or sell. With options, you see the chart and then you need to look for the best contract to buy. So you basically need to think what contract you need to buy, you want to buy, like time and the price and all that, all the Greeks. So it's just easier and faster to just buy and sell than thinking about it, what contract you want to buy. Um, there's a lot of videos of me explaining that on the stream. Netflix levels are the same levels Netflix has been moving around for 1 month. If you go to my Discord and you see the Netflix levels that I post the entire last week or for like 2 months, it's exactly the same levels. Netflix has been moving inside the same range for like 1 month or even more. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, Apple is super weak. Mm-mm-mm. So how you guys doing? Do you make any money today or red? Red like me. Mhm. Green, nice, nice. How's your 159? Yeah, I'm in red. Red days are gonna come. That's normal. Nobody's green all the time. Everyone that is green, what do you guys play today? Futures? Nice. Nice. Thank you. Yes. That's awesome. That's awesome. If you want to scalp, don't scalp Apple. Apple contract barely move. That's awesome. I see more people being green than red. That makes me happy. So I think I'm gonna leave in 2 minutes. It's at 11:30. Yeah, I do think we're in a consolidation mode. I had to sell on the smaller accounts because I don't think the smaller accounts are worth the drawdown. But the 300K account can hold this pullback easily. And I think I'm gonna be green on that one. Spy looks like a flag. Looks like a flag. And same with the Q. These type of trades are the trades that I do when I'm not streaming because I can just watch Netflix and leave it there. But on the stream it's super boring because it takes forever. And I cannot play music, only talk to you guys. But right now it's just being patient and waiting. Waiting for the boom boom. Oh, and now with the 30% off, I think I'm gonna get more 100 100K accounts on Apex because I'm liking more the 100K than the 25 or the 50. Yeah, I'm gonna get more of those. I love the 300 also. I have 20 PAs. No, I cannot play music because on YouTube I'll get flagged with copyrights. I think I had 20 or 22 PAs. I don't remember, but around there. Yeah, it's easier to pass. It's the 25. It's very good to practice. Uh, Patient playing micros, but I kind of like more playing minis. To trade minis, you need bigger accounts. Let's see, one. Mm, Okay, I got two new 100K account are these two at the bottom. Let's see if I can turn that green. Hedge futures? I don't know what you mean with that. I've talked about snow, but snow is doing nothing. It's between a range. Have not break out of this range, so it's doing nothing. I wanted to see it going back down to 210 and hold there, but it's between 220, which is a resistance, and 210 or 213, which are support. The one at the top, it's PA. Last time I talked about this because I already talked about this like 1,000 times. The first one at the top is the 300 account PA. The two ones at the bottom are two 100 evaluation accounts. 100K evaluation accounts. Apple is just dead. Yes, you do. You need to pass it. Yeah, of course. Otherwise, it will be too easy. No, not so not every time you add to a group. No, you can add as many PAs or evaluation accounts you want to any group. To get a PA, you need to buy first a evaluation account, past that evaluation account, and then you get a PA. But to this group, I can get as many PAs as I want. 20. 20 is the max. If you want to try the same ticker, but both direction, that means you have no idea what you're doing because you don't know where it's going. Like you have no like you don't know what's the trend or you don't know what might be the trend. So why are you trading? It's better just to wait until you really understand where it's going. But it makes no for me it makes no sense buying the same ticker to both direction unless you're trying to like you're doing like a butterfly or a strangle or a what's the other one, straddle or something like that to get premium. But with futures it makes no sense. Mm-hmm. You can add up to 20. So for groups, you can add up to 20 any like evaluation PAs. Doesn't matter. With Apex, you can trade at the same time up to 20. With other prop firms, I think it's just 3 or 2. Mm. Oh yeah, trading Kali, waking up at 5 in the morning or 4 in the morning. I don't know how you guys do it. I'm not a morning person at all. I have to wait. I live in Miami and I have to wake up at 7 and I struggle with that because I'm a night person. I love doing things at night. Like I like I don't know why, but in the morning I I don't like mornings. If I wake up early in the morning and I don't have like I don't trade, I have nothing to do in the morning. Like nothing. At night I always go out or watch Netflix or anything. But in the morning I'm like I have nothing to do if I'm not trading. Maybe go to a gym or going to the beach, but I don't go to the beach every day. Yeah, Spy and the Cure just flagging. What? Trading at 11 at night and then waking up at 5:30? No way. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, bond auction today. The mother of flush. Nobody knows that. You cannot predict that. Eastern. Eastern. Always Eastern. Mm. Come on, give me the push here so I can get out. I'm gonna stay a little bit longer to see if we're gonna break out here. But at 12, I'm gonna done the stream. You just click trading panel and then you log in on Tradeovate, and then you're gonna have here trade panel. Let's see, how much do I need in profit to pass the 100K? 6K. Okay. I need some action here. I'm gonna fall asleep. Yeah, it's all on YouTube. That's the easier answer for everything. Like when I don't know anything, I don't go to Google. I go to YouTube and watch videos about it, and that's how I research. And when I mean everything, is like everything. Anything that I don't know and I kind of want to learn, I just go to YouTube. You have people explaining you like everything there, from cooking, like sports, cooking, movies, trading. Visa. Okay, what's Visa doing? Ooh, ooh, I like Visa. Where's my phone? Visa. I'm trading Visa. It just hit my level, my alert. Let's go for next week. 280, and it's super cheap. 280 next week. I got the 295 for $3. That's a YOLO. That is not a trade. That's a YOLO. My stop loss is gonna be today's low, morning low. And watch snow. If snow can break 220, it's gonna boom boom. Google is breaking out. Mm, yeah, it looks like it wants to, but I'll wait for tomorrow. I want to see it closing above yesterday high, and then I'll wait for tomorrow. Yeah, this PNL is from Tradeovate, not TradingView. Okay, it's almost 12. 2 minutes to 12. Um, mm, mm, I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna keep holding this unless SPY loses a VWAP or 496.50. I look to take some profit here at this flag high, and then I think we could go to 499. But yeah, I'm just gonna hold this play unless it loses previous all-time high, which is around, or morning high, around 496.50. If it doesn't lose 496.50, as long as is above 496.50, I'm bullish, and I'm gonna hold this. If I see any good setups around 2, I might come back and do another stream for Power Hour. But yeah, it's 12. Okay, let's see here if we're gonna break out or not. A lot of times I end the stream and then the market move with my play, so you guys don't see it. That gets me so mad when I'm just like, the market is doing nothing. I'm gonna end the stream, and then like 5 minutes after, the market just goes. But yeah, I'm done. I'm holding that unless SPY loses that support. So yeah, guys, I'll see you maybe later today, but for sure tomorrow. Bye.